Welcome to the future of global communication with SpaceX's Starlink Direct-to-Cell Satellites. Imagine a world with no internet blind spots, where even remote areas have access to high-speed connectivity. This is SpaceX's vision. Everyday devices such as smartphones can directly link to Starlink satellites. No need for ground-based infrastructure, just the open sky above. SpaceX is deploying these satellites in large numbers. They are encircling the globe, weaving an invisible network of connectivity. With this technology, SpaceX aims to bridge the digital divide. They are bringing the internet to corners of the world previously unreachable. But what does this mean for us? It means a more connected world, where opportunities for education, work, and communication are boundless. Join us as we delve deeper into SpaceX's Starlink project. Let's step into the future, together.